Welcome to the world of trivia. Discover intriguing facts, hidden histories, and surprising stories from across the world. Expand your knowledge and wild guess. Let's go! Which country is home to Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall at 3,212 feet 979 meters? A. Colombia. B. Brazil. C. Venezuela. D. Ecuador. The correct answer is C. Venezuela. Yes, it's Venezuela. Did you know that? Angel Falls, Venezuela's highest waterfall at 3,212 feet 979 meters, was discovered by aviator Jimmy Angel in 1933. Located in Canaima National Park, it's famous for its breathtaking drop and natural beauty.